Hi guys, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a unboxing. We were in a group swap and it was a surprise partner binder mail swap that was hosted by Anna's Wonderland. She's Memory Decks Obsessed on Instagram, and this was a fun little swap. So this is my incoming, and I think this is Michelle, if I had to guess, who's 4eyezcrafter on Instagram. So let's get into this. The shred is so pretty. Oh, I'm just gonna move this to the side. Oh my god, you give me so much. So I'm gonna just take out the bundles. We got this little candy bundle, which is always nice because we are all about the movies, and we're actually going to the movies this Saturday, so this is perfect. So love that. And then I'm gonna take this big bundle out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so put the shred back in. Shred is so pretty, and I'm gonna just open up the first little bundle here. We've got this little thing here, and let me see. Yeah, 4eyezcrafter. Sorry for the glare, you guys. It's quite sunny. Yay, Michelle! So again, I think I told the story about this, that her and I did a rainbow unicorn swap many moons ago. So it is also a pure pleasure to come back full circle to receive your work again, and this time in Maggie. So I'm happily willing to accept any Maggie Holmes creations. I'm just gonna take this pocket out. I'm sorry for the crinkling, you guys. Can't open Happy Mail without the crinkling. Oh my god, this must be her Memory Decks card. So we had certain requirements. I think it was like 12 embellishments and 1 Memory Decks card. So this must be her fancy decoration. I love the way she decorated her pocket. It's just so pretty. It's a very nice shape tag as well. I'm just gonna take the Memory Decks card out. And oh my goodness, how pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. How pretty is this? So I love the use of the seam binding. How pretty is that? This is really chunky too, Michelle. Look, she's got like foam squares up the wazoo. I love your little dangle. I haven't seen this collection in so long. So really, really pretty. How perfect. Kind of reminds me of me, but I don't wear glasses. So I love that. Thank you so much. And is this you know what, I think you use the same collection as me. I think this is Chasing Dreams, if I had to guess. So anyways, I'm gonna open up the binder. Yay! Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. To the side, got my desk all cleaned up before I open this bad boy. So she has this beautiful tulle, polka dot tulle around it. I'm just gonna unwrap this. Oh, and she has this little dangly thing on the side. How cute. So it's tied quite securely. So I'm just gonna pull this off. Okay, so I can get it in its full glory. Is this confetti? Now I can't remember all of a sudden. So she has a shaker pocket with this beautiful glittered frame. And oh, I love the use of the sprigs on the side. You're sewing. I love this little stitch that you have all around. She used a beautiful banner. This has to be confetti that I remember. I think this might be parts of Chasing Dream. I'm not sure. Again, I have the collections. I'm not a master, but on the side she has this beautiful, the Hobby Lobby ruffle trim, and then she has the pearls on the back, and this is the back of the binder. And here you go, Michelle. So pretty. Oh, and I haven't received a binder mail in years, so this was really nice, a nice wool swap. I love the little tassel. I wish I thought of that when I was creating mine. In here she included some beautiful floral beads. Love these, so pretty. And then look at her pocket, you guys. So pretty. I'm obsessed. Okay. Oh, I love this. So she made it like a little peekaboo, so you can pull it out, and then here she has something Oh, I have to tear it apart. Oh no, I pulled it off. I will reuse that. I'm sorry. I was just trying to see if there's anything in this little pocket. There seems to be something inside. And I just want to... Yes! Oh, how fun. These are stickers. Love these. Thank you so much, Michelle. See, I'm already in full song over here, you guys. So here is a little, I love this, so pretty. The little swan, the layering, the tulle. That tulle is gorgeous. So pretty. I love it. And then she has this little card. Oh, she wrote something on the back. Remember this. I know, it's been a while. It is Tracing Dreams. Yes. Okay. I was right, you guys. Okay, and there's this little envelope here. Stapled. Oh, and she included some leaves in here, and they come apart. Oh my god, look how pretty these are. And all the colors. Yes, Michelle. So it's so funny because I use Chasing Dreams as well, because I was wanting to use an older collection, and actually Chasing Dreams is definitely one of my more favorite collections. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna just lift this up just for the purposes of showing it better. Actually, I'm just gonna open up the binder. I think that might be easier. So here's her embellishment. I love the way you layered these pages. We had to double back it or something like that. You did a fantastic job. Oh no, this one fell off. Okay, don't worry. It's gonna be fine. But, oh no, this one's falling off too. But okay, it's hot in New York. So here is her embellishments of little rosette clusters. I love the use of the shred. That is so unique. I've never thought to do something like that. So that's so pretty. And here is the back and her embellishments. So you got the ruffle trim. Oh, it's so romantic. It's so beautiful. I love the little floral tucks that you did on the side. The little use of acetate. So pretty, Michelle. And then here is, you created a scene. So you got like a little envelope. I love that. And then she created some tags. They are so pretty. The pink and the mints. Oh, yes. So pretty. And, oh, I'm sorry. So inspiring. Sorry, guys. When you're like enthralled with the project. I love the little clusters that you have back here. And I have to say my lighting is impeccable for this unboxing. Ooh, we got some bows here. How pretty are these? I wonder if these are from Vanessa Sparkling Wool, because I've always wanted, she makes the most perfect little bows. And here is the back. And she has some shaker embellishments. How cute is that? Love this. This one. This another one. So pretty. I love this page as well. And then here is the last page. She has some clusters, some embellishments. I love the use of the rosettes to just kind of decorate the page. I love how you layered these up. And here's the back. Ooh, I love this little chunky monkey of sequins. How fun is that? Some layered award banners. And here is her little embellishment. You know what? I have these as well from Hobby Lobby. And I never use them. I really do. I just love the way you tuck them in. The use of the florals. So pretty. And then last but not least, we have this little pocket here. I'm just going to stick back the pages, you guys, because I want to keep it pristine. And she stitched every single page. So I appreciate the work that you put into this, because, you know, it means you loved, or you put the love into the creation. So I'm just going to put this in, okay, and then I'm just going to open this last page. And again, with her beautiful layering. I'm sorry for my nails, by the way, guys. It's been a rough week. The little butterflies, and I'm just going to open this up. And, ooh, we have some library pockets. And you know what? That's so funny, because I just use these as well. These are those old school We Are Memory Keeper library pockets that, like, I think it was the Typecast line. It's actually really pretty. I just never knew how to use them. So I'm glad to see that you decorated them and I can use them. And, oh, thank you so much for the goodie. this beautiful Daiso frill tape. I don't have this, so thank you so much. And I will leave Michelle's information down below. You guys, obviously, you can see she creates absolutely stunning work. I'm so excited to have received your mail and how we came back full circle. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.